Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you I built out a Next.js Markdown editor with live preview features, and also you can export your Markdown file into PDF as well. So we are using the Next.js latest version. As you can see, for this project we are also using React latest version as well. Let me show you the demo of this application. We are running it locally, as you can see, localhost 3000, and it has all the features. First of all, you can actually, if you have a Markdown file, you can create a new Markdown file by clicking the new button, and you can paste a bunch of Markdown right here. Or if you have a file that you want to edit as well, you can drag and drop that Markdown file by simply clicking on this and right here bringing your Markdown file. So once you bring it, simply click import this and simply click import. So all the content inside that Markdown file will be imported and you will get this notification. It shows you clearly how many words are there inside the Markdown file, how many characters, how many lines. It shows you the live preview on the right hand side. If you make any sort of changes, it will be reflected back, as you can see. Then we have this button here of download. So you also have the option to export everything to a new Markdown file after making those changes. And then we also have the button for exporting this Markdown into PDF. So once you click this button, it will generate a PDF file for you instantly, and automatically that PDF file will be downloaded. So all the processing is directly happening it inside the browser. So you can edit your Markdown files, export them into PDF. So it has a live preview. So it's coded inside directly. So once the processing completes, your PDF file will be downloaded, as you can see, into multiple pages. All the images have been successfully inserted. So this is a fully fleshed project. If you're interested in purchasing it, the link is given in the description. So once you purchase it, automatically all the code will be downloaded from Google Drive. So every component, as you can see, it's divided into its appropriate TypeScript file here. So once you make any sort of changes, it will be reflected back. So we are using quite a number of third-party libraries for this. First of all, we are using Markdown, IT, jsPDF, HTML2PDF, HTML2 Canvas, HTML2 PDF. These are all PDF processing libraries and Markdown processing libraries. So it's a fully fleshed project. We are also using some Tailwind as well. So if you want to modify the source code or add additional features, so once you get the source code, you can easily do that, and we are running it on localhost, as you can see. If you want to create a new file, new Markdown file, you click the new file button, and then that editor will open. So you paste your Markdown file, automatically the live preview you will be able to see. So in this easy way, you can easily create your Markdown file with a fully fleshed editor. With live preview, all the changes you will be able to see on the right hand side. You can export them into PDF as well. You can save your work by clicking the save button. So this is a full screen mode as well, also available. This is a split view. This is a preview. This is a this is the editor mode, and this is a split mode. So this is the fully fleshed Markdown editor directly in the browser. I coded this in Next.js. If you are interested in this, guys, the link is given in the description for the full source code. So it will be easy for you to run this locally, or also you can easily deploy this. If you purchase a domain name, you can easily deploy this offline Markdown editor. It doesn't require internet. Once it is deployed, it will be a static web application, static Markdown editor. So I showed you all the features, guys. If you are interested, the link is given in the description.